2014 MOR Pinoy Music Awards Best Collaboration of the Year Award goes to Jill! No erase! And he goes Here are the songs composers, Pyro and Yumi.
Sa pagka-recognize ng song, yun.